You'll be very happy to know that Dr. Harshvardhan, Honorable Minister of Health, Government of India, he has given his message on the occasion of inauguration of this program. So may I request to kindly show the message of the Health Minister before Venugopal takes over.
World Conference
Volume please.
Clinical Preventive Cardiology and Imaging is being organized in Mount Abu. I was supposed to come in this conference and be part of you, but unfortunately I am not able to be with you right now because the Australian Prime Minister has to be in Delhi today and I have to be present with him in an event at the Trauma Center of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. But anyway, all my good wishes are with all of you and particularly with the International President Dr. Naveen C. Nanda and my dear friend Dr. H.K. Chopra, who is the organizing chairman of this conference. I have known Dr. Chopra for so many years. He has been doing a lot of good work on preventive cardiology for last over 30-40 years. This conference, I am sure, will prove to be a strong milestone in changing the health scenario of this country in times to come, and particularly for the patients who unfortunately suffer from cardiology ailments, coronary artery diseases and many other ailments like hypertension, diabetes and ailments which are absolutely preventable. I would like all the doctors in this conference to give a very strong, loud and clear message to every countryman that 80% of health is only prevention. 80% of health is only positive health attitude development. And if every countryman can change his or her lifestyle, they can probably improve their health and they can live a healthy life without the help of doctors, without the help of dispensaries, without the help of hospitals and of course without the help of cardiologists. I would like all of you to tell the whole country that 45% of the disease burden of the country is only because of physical inactivity. And I think if we can make every countryman walk at least for half an hour, if we can make sure that they start meditation, they do some yoga, they engage themselves in some physical exercises, take balanced, highly nutritious, good food, avoid alcohol, avoid tobacco, and of course ensure that whatever they are doing, they preach it, practice it, of course make sure that all their friends, all their relatives, all their children, and if you are a teacher, all your students, everyone starts practicing a healthy way of life. And if we all can resolve, and you all as cardiologists, if you can send this message to the rest of India, it would be a great thing for India. And I am sure that in times to come, with advocacy of this great forum of cardiologists of national and international repute, and if the message is coming from your side, it will mean a lot to the country, and certainly it will change the lives of millions of Indians who are struggling only because they have been deprived of good quality health education till now. Thank you. All my good wishes to all my friends, and I wish all of you at least 100 years of good health, and I wish you all could wish all the countrymen similar greetings. Thank you.